Welcome to Timeline Chronicles. Today, we will journey through the fascinating history of Odisha, a land of ancient temples, brave rulers, vibrant culture, and timeless traditions. The story of Odisha begins thousands of years ago. In ancient texts, this region was known as Kalinga. It was famous for its rich trade, culture, and maritime power. Merchants from Kalinga sailed across the seas, connecting India with Southeast Asia. One of the most defining moments in Indian history happened here, the Kalinga War. Emperor Ashoka's conquest of Kalinga was brutal, with massive loss of life. Witnessing the destruction, Ashoka renounced the violence and embraced the Buddhism, spreading the message of peace across the Asia. This made Odisha a turning point in world history. From 7th to 13th century, Odisha flourished under powerful dynasties like the Somavamsis and Eastern Gangas. This was the golden age of temple architecture. The Konark Sun Temple, Jagannath Temple, and Lingaraja Temple stand as a masterpiece of Odia art and devotion. Odisha is the land of the Jagannath Rath Yatra, a festival that attracts millions of devotees. It is also home to the classical dance form Odissi, which is one of the oldest dance traditions in the world. The region's art, craft, and handlooms tells a story of tradition and beauty. During the British period, Odisha became part of Bengal Presidency, but Odia language and culture fought to preserve their unique identity. Leaders like Madhusudan Das and Gopabandhu Das worked for social reforms and Odia pride. Finally, in 1936, Odisha became a separate province based on language. Modern Odisha is a blend of heritage and progress, known for its temples, beaches, and tribal culture. It is also rich in minerals and natural beauty. Odisha continues to inspire with its resilience and cultural depth. This was the journey of Odisha from ancient Kalinga Empire to modern India, a land where history, culture, and spirituality meet. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeline Chronicles. Till then, bye bye, take care.